Latest football news from Sky Sports ***. Welcome to today's football update, bringing you the latest news and developments from the world of football as reported by Sky Sports. Premier League updates ***. The Premier League continues to be the epicenter of football excitement, with Manchester City leading the pack in their title defense. Their star-studded squad is showcasing impeccable form under Pep Guardiola. Meanwhile, Liverpool is hot on their heels, delivering thrilling performances week after week. Clubs like Arsenal and Tottenham are also vying for top spots in what has become one of the most competitive seasons in recent years. Champions League action ***. Europe's elite competition, the UEFA Champions League, is now in its knockout stages. Fans have witnessed exhilarating matches filled with drama, unexpected results, and standout performances from global football stars. With teams like Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, and Manchester United competing for European glory, the stage is set for an unforgettable conclusion to the tournament. Transfer rumors and speculations ***. As the transfer window approaches, football fans are buzzing with rumors of big money moves. Key players are being linked to top European clubs, with agents and teams working behind the scenes to finalize deals. Clubs like Chelsea and Barcelona are rumored to be in talks to bolster their squads, ensuring they remain competitive in their respective leagues and on the European stage. Stay tuned to Sky Sports for all your football updates, including live scores, expert analysis, and breaking news from the Premier League, Champions League, and beyond. Sky Sports, your home of football. #Narration 2, Neymar's departure from Al Hilal. Breaking news in the football world, Neymar Jr., the Brazilian superstar, has officially parted ways with Saudi Arabian club Al Hilal after making just 7 appearances. The backstory ***. Neymar joined Al Hilal in August 2023 in a high-profile transfer from Paris Saint-Germain, with a reported fee of €90 million. His arrival was celebrated as a significant move for Saudi Arabian football, which is rapidly growing in prominence. However, Neymar's time in Saudi Arabia didn't go as planned. Injury woes ***. Despite his undeniable talent, Neymar's stint at Al Hilal was plagued by